Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
DEXs are decentralized trades. They are the stages or trades where digital money exchanging happens without the inclusion of an outsider. All in all, no monetary foundation or organization is engaged with the activity of a decentralized trade, which is very huge. Members exchange on decentralized stages without separation and must just associate their computerized wallets to effectively exchange. DEXs don't give anybody admittance to their clients' resources or individual data, so individuals exchange with their assets in their grasp as it were. Many trades have set costs for digital currencies that change from one trade to another, and merchants attempt to purchase the coins at the most reduced value conceivable to sort of augment benefits. This cryptographic money guide will show you all that there generally is to be aware of the 1inch organization and its elements. In any case, we will keep on zeroing in on the 1inch organization cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is the 1inch network? This organization has made exchanging more advantageous. It dissects all DEXs and tracks down the one with the most minimal cost to propose to its clients for them to get the best cost. The essential objective of this 1inch organization is to give better value choices to its clients while keeping up with resource liquidity and security. 1inch network ecosystem. This 1inch network by and large is comprised of three conventions that in a real sense guarantee its smooth activity and offer types of assistance to its members. 1inch aggregation protocol, which is genuinely critical. This convention's motivation is to decide the best way for its clients. There are various liquidity trades in the computerized market that help different digital currencies on their foundation, each with its really own arrangement of costs. Some deal a more exorbitant cost for a coin, while others offer a similar coin at a lower cost, or so they thought. This convention dissects the costs on these trades and prescribes to its clients the trade with the in every practical sense, least cost in contrast with different stages. Clients can exchange for a minimal price subsequently. The 1inch network's ticker image is 1INCH. It gives capacity to the 1inch network and empowers clients to take part. These tokens offer their clients motivations as well as liquidity mining programs, which has expanded their interest. Also, the coin permits clients to exchange coins at the most ideal costs that anyone could hope to find. Moreover, holders of 1INCH coins reserve the option to decide on future coin-related proposition. Many trade stages, including Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Global, FTX, OKX, Kraken, and KuCoin, support the exchanging of 1INCH network coins. Despite the fact that Coinbase permits the sending and getting of 1INCH tokens, exchanging by means of computerized wallets isn't upheld. The 1INCH network token is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain and requires 14 organization affirmations before an exchange can be finished. The most extreme withdrawal sum for 1INCH is 31,251 INCH, with a base cost of 3.331 INCH coins. 1 INCH is presently worth $0.672077 1 INCH for the most part has moved 6.46% in the sort of most recent 24 hours with an exchanging volume of $24,041,343. 1 INCH is presently most certainly positioned 89 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $390,515,482. Is it true that you are searching for 1inch network cost expectations for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030 and need to grasp where 1inch network costs can go from now on? We'll especially take a gander at 1inch networks, 1INCH, kind of past costs and see what specialized investigation recommends about the 1inch network conjecture. The 1inch network, 1INCH, value expectations are exclusively founded on specialized examination, and I will utilize a progression of specialized markers like moving midpoints, trendlines, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, and MACD to decide the 1inch network cost forecast. 1INCH, price prediction 2022. 1INCH, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, 1INCH, or so they thought. The 1INCH cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.01. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will truly be steady, however no extensive drops are normal in a significant manner. Averaging $0.940908 in cost is very aggressive, yet it generally is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. 1INCH truly is supposed to have a base worth of $0.806493. 1INCH, price prediction 2023 in an unpretentious way. In 2023, 1INCH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of 1INCH will before long outperform $1.68. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to sort of check whether the 1INCH's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, 1INCH will exchange with a genuinely least exchanging cost of $1.34 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.48. 1INCH, price prediction 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.35 and 1INCH may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. 1INCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.15 and a low of $2.02 in 2024. 1INCH, price prediction 2025. If 1INCH effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the 1INCH coin cost could basically stay stable for the following 5 years, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per our projections, 1INCH will be green in 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. The 1INCH sort of is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $3.02. With a base cost of $2.69 and a typical cost of $2.82, which is genuinely huge. 1INCH, price prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the 1INCH